Hey, this is Don at DWM Grows. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in to learn a little more about organic gardening. Let's find out what today's tips are. This time we're going to show you actually how to water your plants, because I think we all make this mistake too. We come in with our garden hose after we check our soil to see if it does need, and we're going to put a little bit of water on this. So many people come in and with the sunlight shining on them, turn their hose on, let's water our plants. And they sit there and they water them like this for a while. Alright, so anyway, that's bad. You got the sun shining directly on them and you're putting water all over the leaves. It's just a good way to burn your plant up. So you don't want to water like that. Now I'm going to show you the correct way to water. One of these nice long wands is really great. It has different settings. I like the shower setting, and I usually turn it on pretty low. As you can see, it's just barely coming out. But get down close to the dirt. You don't want to be up here. You want to be next to the dirt, because what we're doing is we're watering the root system. We're not watering the plant itself. We're just watering the root system. So we're going to water around the plants where the dirt is at. You can go around, if it's a single plant, you can go around like this for a while till it gets soaked. On your rows, you can increase your volume a little bit and then just kind of go down the row just like this, nice and slow. If you're in a hurry, you can't be in a hurry. Take your time, enjoy it out here. That's what this is all about. But soak your row real good like this. You can go on the other side. I know this is probably pretty boring, but I think it's important that you learn how to water your plants the right way. Now, this is the middle of the day that we're doing this, and I get a little bit of shade from my tree for about an hour and a half. So that's why I'm watering. But if you water your plants like this, I'm not getting any of the leaves wet. All I'm doing is getting the roots in the soil wet. If you water precisely like this without getting your leaves soaked, you can water in the middle of the day if you have to. I still prefer to do it in the morning or in the evening. And we're just going to go down this row the same way. And like I said, this is saving you water. Because when you water this way, you get the water where it needs to be, and that is down deep in the dirt next to the roots. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Tune in next time for more organic gardening tips. In the meanwhile, if you have any questions, please check out my webpage, dwmgrows.com. Thank you again.